Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a beautiful La Pavoni Stratovaria, hopefully I pronounce it well, espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because the lever was actually not very smooth. It was actually very stiff and it was hard to just pull down. So we just did a tune-up on the machine, replacing the gaskets, the ones that you see right here, side glass case. We're gonna put the side glass case after this test. The machine's already been running for like an hour already. I haven't seen any leaks or anything like that. The pressure is pretty constant as well. It's at 1.1, which is great. Yeah, let's test it out. Starting with one shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings for this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Nice. And probably you're gonna see drip coffee coming out of the machine. I might have not tampered properly the ground, or it definitely needs a finer grind than the one I just put on the machine. Unfortunately, we're just seeing drip coffee. Yeah, it was pretty easy to pull down. So let me put the iPad down. Just a second. I'm gonna remove the portafilter. There you go. And as you can see, it's very can you even see that? Let me see if I can get it like it needs to be more finer than that for sure. I just basically channeled through the whole thing. I didn't extract anything. But we're gonna see the flow of the group, and as you can see, it looks great coming out of the machine. For the steamer, working perfectly fine, having excellent pressure, wonderful temperature as well. And there you have it, La Pavoni working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.